Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's edition of my tutorials. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share the channel for me. Today we are to look at how to apply text in a picture. That's an insane effect. So it's very simple. Just keep watching and then know how to do it. Very simple and easy to do it. First of all, what you do is that you just open a picture, the picture that you want to apply the text on. So you go to file, then open or control O, then you locate the picture that you want to use. So assuming me I want to use this, so the first thing that you do is that you go and then drag a guideline line. So you drag the horizontal guideline line. If you are not seeing yours here, make sure that the ruler is active. So you go to view, then you check the ruler or use Control R, the ruler will come. So just drag it, position it in the middle of where you want it. So I just want it to be here. Then I'll create new layer. I'll create new layer here. Then I'll go for my rectangular macro tool. That's M. When you hit M on the keyboard, you get it, or you just click on it from the toolbar. So then I'll come and drag it here. So drag it to the half part. Then I'll make sure that I select the black color from the color picker. So black color. Then go for my paint bucket. Then apply. So now you can see that the layer. So I will deselect it. Control D will deselect it for you. So deselect it. Then you go for your text 2. So text 2, when you hit T, it will just select it for you, or you can just select it by clicking on it from the toolbar. So you make sure that you the font you select or you choose a heavy font. So, and before I'll have to pick a color for the font or the text, so I'll choose white color. I'm using Arial black. Okay, so that's it. Adobe Photoshop is awesome for designing for designs. Okay, let me put it that way. Now it's okay for me. Then what I'll do is I can also add another text. So I'll just hit and go to Amitech is my only channel. So Amitech is my only channel. Let me decrease this one small. Okay, Amitech is my only channel on, let's say, YouTube. Nice. So I have my tests. I'm done with it. So what I'll do is that I'll hit Control. I'll press and hold Control from the keyboard. Then position the mouse cursor here and then left click it. So you see that the text here has been selected. So what I'll do is that I'll come and select the layer 2 where I apply the color. So then I'll hit delete from the keyboard. When I hit delete from the keyboard, then I'll just hide the text. Now you can see it that I have it. So that's it. Make sure you like this tutorial and then you share it. Thank you very much.